Hi guys, and welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be doing a Halloween decorate with me. We're not doing a ton of cleaning, but definitely a lot of decorating. And it's more of a vlog style, so a lot more talking than a voiceover. But first we're going to do some laundry, and then we'll get into the decorating. Okay, so this is like all of the Halloween decorations that I have. It's not a ton, and it's all like different styles because like in my first apartment I had a lot of space, so I bought this with a couple things and it looked amazing. I have this guy, he reminds me of Baskin Robbins. And then in my second apartment I had a huge bathroom, so I decided to decorate in the bathroom with this little skeleton in a bath, and I thought she was so cute. But I don't know if I'm going to use her this year because simply I don't have enough room. I don't even know where I put her in my bathroom. Have a couple mugs. This one's my, wait, where's my favorite? Is it behind here? Yeah, it is. This is my favorite. I love that one. And then I have this guy that I had in the same apartment where I had this one, and he is so cute. I put him with the candy corn, so I don't know, again, where I'm going to put him. And then this is one of my favorites. I put this in my closet, I think, last year. Well, 2 years ago. And it's just Happy Halloween, and I love it. And then this is, again, one of my favorites. It's a stack of books. And it says Cats and Bats Trick or Treat in October 31st, so I want to do something with this. So yeah, I don't have a ton of Halloween stuff, but let's go ahead and get to decorating. Okay, so my camera died, but this is kind of what I came up with. I like it. I don't love how this looks on camera, having this bowl here, but I think I am going to have it there, and I'm going to get some candy and just like have like a candy bowl. I feel like that needs to go there, but you can't really see it, you know, when it's just sitting there. But anyway, but I'll show you kind of what I did. So over here I have this small little ghost on this pumpkin. I think he's a Jim Shore, and I put him in between these two faux leaves. I thought that just kind of framed him. And then he is right next to this big wooden boo thing. I thought the two ghosts went together well, and then I decided to put the candy corn there because I liked the height of it, because over here we have something very tall and kind of short, and I have a lot of tall things. I don't have a lot of short things, so I felt like that balanced it out. My candy dish, it's from my mom. I need to wash it, but it's just like a little zombie or Dracula. I don't know. And then over here I have the ice cream man. I call him the ice cream man. I think it's a girl, but I call it a man. He just makes me happy. And then I have him on a candle stand next to all of, you know, the witchy books. So, you know, you have the witch in the books. So I thought those colors looked really nice together. On the bottom, I don't know what to do. So this is actually what I have. And I kind of hate it. Nothing felt right here. Nothing that I had felt right here. So I just went ahead and put this there for now. I'll probably change it in the future. And then most of my other stuff went on the TV stand. So this is the TV stand that I have. Kind of just put all my tall things here. I really like this guy, but he's broken. If you see, I broke him. I broke off his hand and his spider, so I need to glue that back on. Up here, I've had this for a few years, and his thing is coming off, so I need to glue that. I don't have a glue gun. And then I have this, which is new this year. I bought it in like August. So I felt like the polka dots on him match with the polka dots on this. So I felt like that went really well, but right now that's pretty much all I have for the TV station. It probably will change. I don't know where to put all this stuff, and I love it all so much. And then this is the mess that I am left with, as well as over here in the kitchen. I still have this to put away. I don't know where I'm going to put him. I think next to that table that has all the, like, the stuff on it, my lamp and stuff. So I think I'm going to put him there. And then in here I have some stuff I'm not going to have a place for. So my witch, and then the bathroom skeleton. But yeah, I am missing one thing. I'm missing a few witches, which I really wanted. But I cannot seem to find them, which I'm really upset about. But I'll keep looking, and if I find them, I'll let you guys know. Okay, so update. This is kind of how I have the bottom set up now. I like it a lot better. You guys can like see it from a distance. I like it a lot better that way. So I think I'm going to keep it like that. It's just up here so colorful and childish, and then down here is kind of glam. So I don't know. Again, it might change, it might not. I really like how the top's looking. And again, I do like the bottom, but it is just so different. But let me know in the comments down below what you think and what you would do in this space. Don't look now, but I found another box of Halloween decorations. Oh my gosh, I did not know that I had this much. Okay, so I went ahead and just put that box away. I put everything in it back in the box and just put it in the garage again. I did take this out. It's a hand towel, and it has Alice on it. It matches that one that's over there. I haven't cleaned the kitchen, so pardon that. But it matches that one, and I was going to use it in decoration, and then I was like, hello, I have a bathroom, so why don't I wash these and put them in my bathroom for the month and use them as my hand towels. So I think I'm going to do that. And then I did find my witches. Give me 1 second. So here they are. I thought they were unpackaged because I got them a really long time ago. Like December. And I did not ever unpack them. So I'm going to do that now. But I'm so happy I found them. And I'll let you guys know how it looks. Okay, so sad news. They did not send me what I actually ordered. But alas, I'll make do. This is one of them. It's a little black cat. I think she's so cute. And the reason why I bought them is because it reminded me of me and my sister. But there was 3 of them, but they sent 2 of this one instead of all 3. And so I was going to have them represent me and my sister-in-law, but I guess I'll just have 2. It's fine. I would return them, but since I bought them in December, I can't really do that because I trusted the seller to send me the set, and unfortunately that did not happen. So I just have 2. I don't know where I'm going to put them, but I will let you know as soon as I pick out a place.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated. Sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy, 'cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me. When I'm stuck here on planet X, I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space.
Okay guys, I wanted to show you really quickly before I left what I did in this hallway. This is the hallway that's the living room. You can see Alice on the couch, and then that's my office, and this is a closet. So when I come out of my room, this is the first thing that I see. So this is how I decorated. So I have my 2 little witches right here. And then I have this little thing that says Happy Halloween with a couple of fun, like, you know, the mummy and the pumpkin, a witch and a vampire again. And then my little dish from my grandma. And I just thought that was really cute to have, you know, under the painting. Hello, Alice. So yeah,